Welcome to the next section. Using PostgreSQL. While MySQL is popular, PostgreSQL is another powerful enterprise-level relational database often preferred for its robustness, advanced features, and strict adherence to SQL standards. We will quickly demonstrate that the core process for connecting and performing CRUD operations from Python is highly consistent, regardless of the database you use. 1. Why PostgreSQL? PostgreSQL, often simply called Postgres, is known for handling complex queries, massive amounts of data, and providing exceptional reliability. It is widely used in mission-critical applications. Understanding how to connect to both MySQL and PostgreSQL makes you much more versatile as a developer. 2. The consistent Python workflow. Regardless of whether you use MySQL, PostgreSQL, or another database, the Python workflow follows the same steps. 1. Install the appropriate connector library. 2. Establish a connection object. 3. Create a cursor object. 4. Execute SQL via the cursor. 5. Commit write operations. We will simply replace the MySQL.connector library with the PostgreSQL connector, PostgreSQL. 3. Section roadmap. We will set up the PostgreSQL server and its graphical client, pgAdmin. We then install the specialized Python connector, PostgreSQL, set up a database, and perform the essential connect, insert, and fetch operations to prove the concept. To summarize, we are ready to work with another database. The first step is to get the PostgreSQL server installed on your machine. Our next lecture 29.02. Install PostgreSQL server. See you there.